how to turn on or turn off read caller names aloud on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then open up the phone app. Next, tap on the More button and choose Settings. In Call Settings, we scroll down and tap on Answering and Ending Calls. In here, tap on Read Caller Names Aloud. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. You can also further customize it by tapping on the left panel. In here, you can choose to answer over Bluetooth and headphones only or always. And you can also turn on Read Caller Names twice. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.